It was a kneel down at the Osun State chapter of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, as the immediate past chairman of the party, Eda Sunday Akonfe Atidade, officially handed over the leadership of the party to the newly ratified chairman, Honorable Sunday BC, the immediate past publicity secretary of the party. The ceremony, which was attended by party leaders, stalwarts, and faithful across the state, was held at the party secretariat in Osogbo, the state capital. Leaders of the party at the program include the immediate past chairman, Honorable Sunday Atidade, Akogunlere Oyewumi, Elder Peter Babalola, Honorable Niyi Owolade, Mr. Ibukun, Alhaji Fatai Akande Akembade, Alhaji Ganiola Oluwa, Honorable Tunde Abesin, and several others. In his inaugural speech, Honorable BC, who is to complete the tenure of the former chairman, Honorable Soji Adagundu, who was asked to step aside by the National Working Committee of the party, called for unity among party leaders and faithfuls in the state. He said he will ensure that the party is fair to everyone as it faces the battle of wrestling power from the All Progressives Congress in the state come 2022.
As members of a very big political family like the PDP, it is almost certainly impossible to avoid occasional misunderstandings or misinterpretation of tongues. But our strength should be stimulated majorly by our ability to put a bigger picture of rescuing Osun State from the present hawks beyond and above hollow personal proposition. Like I said earlier, the die is cast, and our party is left with no other choice but to adhere to the loud call of various chapters of Osun State populace for succor. We must program and streamline our thoughts and positions if we must strive at all to reclaim Osun State and reignite the vision of the founding fathers of the state for a prosperous entity. As we inch towards another round of electioneering, where justice for political offices on the platform of the party becomes inevitable, I enjoin us all to pursue our ambitions with decorum and unmitigated loyalty to the party.
The new chairman expressed party support to the ongoing nationwide EndSARS protest, calling on Governor Gboyega Oyetola to immediately fish out those attacking the protesters in Osun State.
On the ongoing protests by Nigerian youth against police brutality in the country, as it affects our dear state, in which we have lent our voice of solidarity as a party, I once again, on behalf of all of us in Osun, PDP, condemn in strongest of terms the needless loss of lives as triggered by APC pampered talks in the state. We are extremely worried that the APC administration in the state have refused to bring the assailants who variously attack protesters in the state to book, even when victimized protesters have no minds was about identity of the attackers. This willful laxity on the part of Osun State government to quickly respond as appropriate of a responsible government went a long way in bordering the rampaging folks to launch subsequent attacks on the protesters, which snowballed into further unfortunate skirmishes.
Other leaders who spoke with the newsmen at the event described the inauguration of Honorable BC as a new beginning towards a victorious outing in 2022. They also dispelled the rumor of crack within the leadership of the party.
I'm one of the closest friends of Soji Adagundu, and if you are here before the inauguration, one of our prominent leaders from Ijesaland, Honorable Ibukun Fadipe, spoke on behalf of all the Ijesa leaders here today. He mentioned Baba Brisa Abatokpe, spoke on behalf of Erelu Olusola Obada, spoke on behalf of Senator Adenigba Fadahunsi, spoke on behalf of Honorable Busayo Oluwole Oke, and all the leaders in Ijesaland. Majority of them are here. You see, PDP is a party with internal conflict resolution mechanism, and it's a democratic party. You know, when in the democracy there's ban for disagreement, but once you have followed the path of the constitution and get to the end, a party man will listen to that. It's just an internal matter. which has been amicably resolved.
By the special grace of God is going to bring the lasting solution to the problem rocking this party for about 3, 4, 5 months ago. Women are very, very ready. Women are very much ready. People are yearning to see us in government. They know we did it and we can still do it.
Bisi and Adagodo are from Ijesaland, and his inauguration was in tandem with the provision of the party's constitution. It is a fresh beginning in Osun PDP as Honorable Sunday Bisi has officially taken over from Honorable Sunday Akonfe Atidade to complete the tenure of the man from Ijesaland, Honorable Soji Adagodo. From Osogbo, Jare Tiamiyu, Inside Links TV.